Hello everybody, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip it's a very fun, exciting, and I'm scared as well because I'm gonna test out SHEIN tattoos. I didn't apply this kind of tattoos since I was like very small, and I hope I'm not gonna mess it. So the ones that I have are the very dainty ones. I actually have 2 packs in here. I gathered them both together. These were, let me see, I don't remember how much I paid because I have them for a while and I'm very excited to test them out finally. But let me check how much they are. They were very cheap. I'm pretty sure they were like 2 or 3 pounds, but just to make sure I'm not talking anything irrelevant. So $2.99, both of them actually. I paid myself $2.55 because I had a code, which I'm pretty sure they always have. It seems like that kind of a website. But yeah, I combined both of them in here, and let me open them and show you how cute they are. They're so cute. And they are so cheap for how cute they are, right? So this is the kind of like vibes you get. You open it like so. Obviously I have both of them. Like I have 4, but it comes like, you know, like this, each of them. And let me see, because I'm pretty sure I messed them up. So one of the sets comes with these 2 little guys, and the second one comes with this one and this one. They are actually literally identical from the website, which I was a bit scared they are not going to be. They look so cute. So without me rambling anymore, let's just jump into it and see if I'm gonna make it. So on the instructions it says, you know, cut the pattern of your choice, remove the transparent surface, protective film. Obviously this step is essential, they say. Yeah, I can remember that since I was a kid. Cover the printed area with a flat surface you want to stick. Avoid the parts that are prone to friction. So I assume here, because obviously you do this, all that jazz. Tap the tattoo sticker with a wet sponge or water to the wet. Obviously I have this sponge, which is actually a beauty blender, and I have a bowl of water here, just plain water. After 5-10 seconds, gently open the corner and see if you don't completely paste it. Repeat the fourth step and look forward to your perfect transformation. Let's go for the perfect transformation, shall we? I'm not quite sure which ones to get, but I want to apply them here. I'm actually gonna get my phone camera to make sure I'm not missing anything to be filmed. And you can see how I'm gonna apply them over here. Let's start actually. Let's see what I'm gonna choose. We are now choosing our tattoos. I've seen it, Danielle Marcan, that's how you pronounce her name, that she had them over here placed. I'll show you on the second camera actually, and let's see if I'm gonna be able to do that. I think she pretty much bought them herself from SHEIN as well, because they look very similar. So yeah, I have the the water bowl here, and I'm gonna literally just damp this just to have it there nice and moist. I'm gonna leave it there. I need some tissues because this is going to get messy. I have a few here, but not too many. Right, let's choose our pattern, shall we? I want to get these diamondy ones. You see them? Get like a few. So I'm gonna open this one as well. Like, let's see. Let's open these bad boys out. Ta-da! So you have to cut them. So I have a scissor over here. Cute one. I have this one for so many years. So literally what I'm gonna do is just cut them as such. I'm gonna cut them like that. I was not expecting that. Let's try with these ones, shall we? I'm gonna cut them in both like that. I'm trying to show you, but I'm not very good at this. I'm cutting them as such. Ta-da! I'm taking this one, which is very cute actually. So let's see. You open the film like so. So it's sticked here, and now let's get our water. Obviously it's gonna go all over me, the water, but we don't, like, it's worth it, isn't it? I need some tissues because it's going all over, but still, okay, too much water. Woo! Wait. Oh my god, this is so cute. Here you go. I'm gonna take a fan actually and make sure it's gonna dry. So I'm actually gonna choose which ones I want to place them on my hand, so it will be quicker, because otherwise if I'm gonna try to figure out each of them on the camera, it's gonna take me ages. So I did choose, for example, this one, which is so cute. I also got these two ones. Sorry, I'm covering the best part. I also choose a heart. I also choose a few stars and a moon. And I also got this one which says love, which I think is so really nicely written. So I added more, and they are so lovely. Like, can you see them on that camera? They are exactly like how I imagined them to be. So yeah, it's not hard to apply them. They seem to stay there all together. Obviously I did let them dry. I'm not quite sure how much they're gonna resist. But I'm planning to give you an update after I'm taking a shower or something like that, and see if they just completely disappear or they're gonna stay over there for a couple of days. I'm not quite sure if it says on the packaging if it's gonna stay for a long time. I assume it might stay for 1 to 2 days, but we'll see about that. I'll give you an update in the description down below. But yeah, obviously I'm not gonna be able to test each of them out, but the idea in general is that they apply super easily, just as I remembered when I was like younger. They're super cheap. They are like wonderful. At least these two styles that obviously I'm gonna leave in the description down below, they came exactly as they pictured them. They are very, very tiny and dainty, but they're not, you know, pathetically small. They are just like nicely small. Obviously you can tell by the pictures they are small. They also have like sleeve ones. I'm next gonna be purchasing those ones, to be completely honest with you, because I always wanted something like that. In Romania there's like an influencer who always like releases those kind of ones, but they are like 12-15 pounds, and I'm like, ugh, they're just gonna fade away in like a day. I mean, I might exaggerate, not in a day, but seriously, I don't know, if I've seen them on SHEIN and I was like, I'm just gonna test those ones as well, because literally the sleeve ones are like a $5, and I'm like, that's so good to be true, but we will see. I thought these will be good to be true, like too good to be true, and here we are today. I really love them. They are so cute and nice. They are so cheap. I can definitely say 100% go and grab them, because they are so cute, and it's just a really nice way to, I always like, you know, people with loads of tattoos, like these kind of ones, very dainty, all over in a place. But I know, for example, because I don't have neither at least one tattoo, I'm not gonna dare to go with this much. So this is a fun way to style yourself and your body and express yourself without, you know, having the commitment for life. So yeah, I definitely recommend these ones. Let me know if you're gonna grab them. I think they are so cute. Fingers crossed this video was by any means useful and relevant to you, and it showed you whether you'll purchase these ones or not. Obviously, I would suggest subscribing to this channel if you're interested in testing, you know, beauty stuff, bits here and there. I'm mostly makeup, but I also actually have a testing wig video from SHEIN. So if you're interested, because obviously I'm pretty sure no one would just purchase just tattoos from their website, check that video as well. Maybe you'll end up purchasing yourself a wig as well, and see what's the tea with them as well. But yeah, I will hopefully see you within the next one. Bye.